Update ni BMB sa live ni Papa Jock.
nagtitinda, hindi po ako nagbebenta niyan. Hindi ako yung bumili ay nagpa-pake niyan, hindi ako nag-ship niyan. Oh, so cute.
Yan. Ganda na outfit ni BMB.
May mo daw kasama, and then mamalay. It's fine. May big, ayan, may screen record na.
I'm going with my cousin, my Kuya Jiggy, who's like my dad.
Enjoy.
Kaya nga ganito ako because of Kuya Jiggy. Kaya nga I like all my nerd stuff.
In regards sa Jiggy, hindi mo kinama. Miss ka na namin daw.
Yes po, I miss you also.
Yan miss na ni BMB.
Happy birthday, Nicole. And hello from Dubai.
Makamalate ka na. Traffic.
Super ba?
Not really, kasi it's holiday naman eh. It's your, di ba, Lolos.
Yeah.
May lakad si BMB.
Alam mo, when you get blank, I got blank kanina po in the, okay lang yan.
Hindi naman i-air nila yung pag ano, may editable naman doon.
Oo. Kasi if you wear a pinky ring, your communication skills go down po. Kaya never wear a pinky ring, sabi ni Mama.
Anong pinky?
Pinky. Sa pinky. A ring in the pinky finger.
Dito, talaga?
Yeah. Pero, ang utos ni Mama kanina, wear a pinky ring. Oh, yan tuloy.
Hi, welcome back all the way from the United States of America. Ang payat mo naman.
She's awake.
Ha?
She's awake.
I have for you. Oh, thank you. Yay. Where's Kuya?
Tulog. Mama.
Yay.
Thank you so much.
May meron silang bisita.
Anim.
Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for update. This is with Shorty Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.